Let's draw this figure in front of us. So our object is in millimeters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come on new there. We go on metric, standard in millimeters, then we say create. So here we are going to start with a rectangle. So there is our rectangle. Now we need to make sure that this one here is 80 millimeters. And this needs to be equal to that one. Sorry for that, I meant this one needs to be equal to that one. All right. After that, we're gonna come for circles. So there's my first circle, then comes my second circle. I need to make sure that this one here is 34 millimeters, and that one over there needs to be 18 millimeters. Good. After that, I'll come for my two rectangles. So there's my first one. Here is my second one. From here to there, I want to have 4 millimeters. So 4, and the same applies there. I need to have 4 millimeters there. All right, let's enter. Now I need to make sure that this one here is 5 millimeters. So that is 5. Good. And from there, this one here needs to be 4 as well. There we have it. From here to there, that one need to be 37.5. Good. And this one here needs to be 37.5 as well. All right. I want this one here to be equal to that one. All right. And that one there to be equal to that one. Good. Now that I have this in place, I'm gonna come for these circles. So there's my first circle. This one here needs to be 12 millimeters. All right. And from here to there, that one needs to be 25 millimeters. The same applies there. That needs to be 25 millimeters. Since I want this circle to be multiplied 4 times, to have 4 of them, I'm going to come on the rectangular pattern, right? Then I'm going to choose the geometry that I want to multiply. Then against the direction that I want to multiply it. Then now, center to center between the two circles, I want to have 55 millimeters. Not going down like that, but going up. So I'm going to change the direction now. It's going to go up. Now there it is. Now I want to have 4 of them now on this second direction. So I'm going to choose the second direction as this one. Center to center, I want to have 55 millimeters. Now going the other way. Now I have it there. Then I'll say okay. All right. So after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on 3D model. Then I'm going to click on extrude. Here I'm going to extrude first these 2 rectangles now by 37 millimeters. Okay. Then I'll say plus this one here. I'm going to extrude it by 10 millimeters. 10 it is. Okay. Then I'll say okay. After that, I'm going to create a chamfer here. So I'm going to create a chamfer there. Now this chamfer of mine, I want it to go in different size in 2 dimensions or 2 direction. So the first direction, which is going down, okay, there, that's one. That's not what I meant. Let me cancel that. So there we go. So the first direction, which is going down, 27, it's going to be 27, which is this one here, as you can see. So 27 there. Now going inside, I want to have 19.2, like that. I'll say apply. Now I want to apply the same there, the same come on, there and there. Now you have it in front of you the way it is there. Okay. Then I'll say okay. I'll come on my sketch. I say visibility on. I want to raise up this one. So I'm gonna say 3D model. I'm gonna click on extrude. I want that circle there to be going up, okay, by 40 millimeters. Not like this. Can you see how it's going? But like that. Yeah, the sides, adding, not cutting. Okay, and then I'll say plus. Now I want to cut that circle. Okay, this is what you have in front of you, like that. Okay, and then I'll say, okay, the next thing that I'm gonna do is to remove those lines, the ones for the sketch, and then I'll say visibility off. Now you have the frame in front of you. What you can do now is to kill the corners, these corners, by creating fillets. I'll come then and I'll say I want the fillet to have a 20 millimeter radius. Okay. The same applies there and there, as well as here. Good. Now I say okay. This is what you have in front of you. Right? You have modeled beautifully this figure in front of you. What you're gonna do now or what you can do is to give the material. So you're gonna come here and let's go for gold. What is gold? There is gold. And this is how beautiful your objects looks like. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.